Hello everybody. I will no longer introduce myself to you because the MC already told it. First of all, my warm greetings to our newlywed, Mr. and Mrs. Patricia Nadim Gilzi, to Mr. and Mrs. Nihal Najib Gilzi and family, to Archangel family, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Langia, to my sole representative from the Philippines, Patrick, and other guests, relatives, co-worker, friends in attendance, good evening. As you all gather here together, purposely for one reason, to witness a once-in-a-lifetime moment of the two loving couple, Patricia and Nadim. Please allow me to say a short message without the aid of AI from Google, because it's better to say it direct from the heart. To my Patricia, Anak, Chuchay, Nana is watching from heaven, smiling with Tatay. For sure naka-smile with Lelen, happy match, clapping hands. I raise you not just to be a strong baby at the age of 6, but to be a top one. Thank you for being responsible, Ate, for taking good care of Patrick while I am working away from home as a police officer. I'm proud of you, Anak, having a big ate with Patrick. Sorry, Anak, for not being perfect, Mama thought. Just wanted to be best in you. And Chuchay, don't be just a wife, a mother to your family. Just here supporting you. To Nadim, I told you the very first time we have a conversation, when you're asking my approval for the proposal last April, I told you that my Chuchay deserves to be happy. Promise to take care of my baby. I don't want her to experience pain, frustration. Make Chuchay the happiest bride ever. And I know you will, Anak. So sa mom and dad of Nadim, Mr. and Mrs. Kizi, to Archangel family, to Michael Langia, thank you for taking good care of my Chuchay. Kel, yung usapan, let's see, in God's perfect time. Okay, I will no longer take this too long because my daughter told me just 2 to 3 minutes speech is enough. Anyways, may I request everybody to please grab and raise your glass to the couple, Patricia and Nadim. Let us all help the couples to pray for them to have in their new journey in life filled with love, laughter, lifetime happiness, and good health. Cheers to Mr. and Mrs. Patricia Nadim Gilzi. Thank you, thank you. Love you, I love you guys. Thank you, I love you guys. Love you, Nak. Thank you, love you, Nadim.